Hi, it's Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy. Just want to go over some tricks that you can do to loosen up your upper back, hopefully eliminate that little bit of a hunchback. So what I like to do is have my patients grab a foam roll. It doesn't have to be necessarily this long. But just getting on the foam roll, doing some of their own soft tissue work and joint mobilizations by lying on it. We're going to just kind of lift up, hold the head, bring the elbows together, and I'm just going as far down as where like my bra strap would be, and then just going up between the shoulder blades. And you could do this for a few minutes, and then after you're done with doing that for a few minutes, then have them drop their bottom down, hold their head, and gently kind of arch back over the full roll. Maybe picking one segment at a time and doing that maybe 10 times or so. And then after that, they might roll, pick another segment, drop the bottom again, and then roll back and around that segment. And then lastly, a nice thing to do is getting on all fours and trying to bring your arm underneath you to kind of reach down and then go in the opposite direction as a reach, just nice and easy. And down, bring the shoulder down, and then you do that on both sides about 10 times just to loosen up the upper back.